Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet a simple yet beautiful flower earring pattern. These earrings are quick to crochet and perfect for adding a lovely floral touch to any outfit. Let's get started. We will create a magic ring with the red yarn. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now you have a loop on your hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with our magic ring. In the first round, work 12 single crochets inside the magic ring. So insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the single crochet. And again work another single crochet into the magic ring. Now we have completed 2 of the single crochets. Like that we will continue the round. Now I have completed 12 single crochets into the magic ring, and then pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. After that, I'm going to leave a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. And this is how to join. We will just take the hook out and then thread the yarn needle . Now this is the first single crochet of the round. This is the second single crochet. So we are going to insert the needle into the second single crochet like this. And then again insert the needle into the last single crochet, that is the 12th one. And then I'm going to run the needle through a few stitches to secure like this. Like that we can just have a clear join. Now I'm going to cut the excess piece of yarn carefully like this. Now I'm going to turn the work around and pull this tail also very tight, and then hide the tail inside the stitches as shown here. Now we have completed our first round. This is what it looks like. Make sure that you have 12 stitches around. And we will start with round 2. There I'm going to join the white yarn to create the petals. This is how I'm going to join the round. So insert the hook into any one of the stitches around, and then we will pull the white yarn through the stitch like so. And then I'm going to just work over this tail so that we don't have to worry about hiding the tail at the end. And chain 8, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. Like that we will continue 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then work 2 treble crochets inside the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the 4th chain. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the 4th chain, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a treble crochet. Again work another treble into the very same stitch. After that, work one treble into the very next stitch here. And then work one double crochet in each one of the next two stitches. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again work another double crochet into the next stitch here. Now we are left with one last stitch. Here, there we need to work a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. And then we are going to join the petal by working a slip stitch into the very next stitch here. So insert the hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first petal of the flower. This is what it looks like. And then to start with the next petal, first we need to work a slip stitch into the very next stitch. So I'm going to go into the very next stitch here and work a slip stitch. Work over this tail, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. And then chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then work 2 treble crochets inside the 4th chain from the hook here. 1, and 2. Now work 1 treble crochet into the next stitch. And then work 1 double crochet in each one of the next 2 stitches. 1 double crochet into the next stitch and another double crochet into the stitch after that. Now we left with 1 chain stitch here. There we need to work 1 half double crochet. With that we have completed the second petal as well. We will join the petal by working a slip stitch into the next stitch here. This is what we have completed so far. Then again go into the next stitch and work a slip stitch there to start with the third petal. And chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Like that we are going to repeat until the end of the round. By the end you will have 6 petals. So just repeat the pattern until you complete 6 petals and meet me back there at the end. This is the last petal of the flower I'm making here. Now I'm left with 1 stitch in the foundation, so we will work a slip stitch into that stitch there and then join the round by working a slip stitch into the starting point of the round as well, like so. And then I'm going to leave a little tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. Now we will use the yarn needle to hide the tail like this. With that we have completed the flower. And this is what it looks like, and you can use different colors to make it prettier. You can see the difference of the size as well. If you use thinner kind, then the flower will get smaller. Now I will show you how to put all these pieces together to complete the earrings. First of all, I'm going to take the 3mm jump ring, open it up using the pliers, and I'm going to insert that into a stitch over here, and then we will put the 6mm jump ring into the previous one and then close it up with the pliers like this. After that, I'm going to open the hook ear wires also by using the pliers and slide it into the 6mm jump ring simply and close it with the pliers. Like so. Now we have completed one of the earrings. This is what it looks like. Now we will just repeat the process and complete the second earring as well. And there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed making these flower earrings. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video.